अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं ये किसी फैमिली व्लॉग, तो आज का दिन शुरुआत होता है हमारे साथ।
What happened to Kizia, Mavish?
You can see the sunglass.
अच्छा आगे
चोट लगी है इनमें.
Speak in English. Can't you speak English?
यार बड़ा मेरा इमोशन खराब कर रही हो.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है।
क्या भाई.
तो आज हमारा चैलेंज है, आज जो भी आएगा और जितना कुछ होगा वो सब कुछ होगा इन इंग्लिश. मैविश, व्हाट हैपेंड टू किजिया? ये वो लोग हैं जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं और डर रहे हैं. स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. व्हाट हैपेंड टू किजिया? मैविश, व्हाई शी इज क्राइंग?
Why you are crying, Kezia? What happened to you? What happened?
अबे साले, जो माफ करना, मैं इधर मुझसे मैं इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ. जब
Viewer wants to know, baby, what happened with you?
तो
She's
मम्मी यू
injured.
प्लीज टेल.
She is injured.
Oh my god!
You can see this big hole. बस okay बेटा. बस. Injured and she is feeling so much pain in her foot. Well said, Mavish. Well said. She is going down.
Speak in English.
I'm so much fed up.
Fed up. और मोमो भाग रही इंग्लिश से.
बच्चे नहीं छोड़े.
अच्छा, you speak in English. What are you doing now?
I am feeling so much tired.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This girl is very stupid. What happened to you? गंदे मुंह वाली. Dad.
Mama, what happened with Kizia? She is injured. What happened with Kizia? I don't know. Speak in English,
तो
Faraji.
इंग्लिश में जवाब दिया क्या? I don't know.
अच्छा,
सही तरीका होता है यार. Miko, what happened with Kizia? Injured? Okay.
I am feeling
Good.
good.
Music.
मेरी बननी हो रही. कल से मेरे को वो हो रहा था. रात को मेरे को इतना नजला आया, नोजी जुकाम, तो ना इसलिए अभी भी आ रही है, इसलिए मैंने टिश्यू लिया हुआ है. अब मेरी चोट सही हो गया, मैं चलने शुरू हो गया.
Bye.
बाय बाय.
Want to say?
इनके हस्बैंड
Speak in English.
बेड में
पता नहीं है, सुनी सुनाई बातों पे.
और इनको कुछ पता
You
नहीं.
don't know anything.
और कुछ दिन पहले वो काम
Speak
कर
in
रहे थे
English.
और इनको कुछ पता नहीं था. बेड एक पे होते हैं, इनको पता ही नहीं होता
पर
है.
ये उधर से आके देख रही होती है.
हाँ, मैं सुबह में आई थी, आज भी मैं आई थी.
Speak in English.
आज मैं today I came at around 9 o'clock. Then I found the remote
Okay.
and switch on the AC and went back in the room and sleep.
Very.
चल झूठा.
बिल्कुल लग रहा है कि कोई नर्सरी क्लास का बच्चा जो है नई नई एबीसी सीख रहा है. I can feel that.
And his and her husband, his husband, and feeling shivering at night,
अच्छा,
and she don't know my husband.
तो
is
मैं रात भर सोऊं
on
ना अपने शोहर को
shivering
देखूं कि वो शिवरिंग कर रहा है
Speak in English.
या ठुकर है.
And her husband her husband foot रात को ठुका था उनका शोर बेड में.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
इनको नहीं पता अब मैं क्या बोलती.
वाह यार, गुड.
मम्मा नहीं इंग्लिश में बोलो. He hits badly in bed. No, bed hits him.
हाँ, बेड ने उठ के हिंट किया. तो आप सब ने कमेंट्स में इस सेंटेंस को बताना है कि मैविश ने क्या सही और क्या. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने करना है
ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक.
फैसला. Mavish is trying to speak in English for the 24 hours. Or it's 5:45. She will try to speak in English till 12. और 12 पे होगा vlog end.
Okay.
Vlog will end at 12. अभी देखना इसके दांत. Open your mouth. Eden, open your mouth. Mama, speak in English. आप लोगों ने रेट करनी है हमारे इंग्लिश पे और वोट करना है कि किसने ज़्यादा अच्छी इंग्लिश बोली. अपर लिप्स इतने ज़्यादा हुए में किसी को फिक्र नहीं है. About the weather.
The weather is too hot
Hmm.
and day by day getting too
क्या क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं भाई आप?
बोलना चाहती हूँ. मैविश कह रही है जब हम रूटीन में बोलते हैं ना तो इंग्लिश अच्छी होती है. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम रोज अब इंग्लिश में ही व्लॉग बनाएंगे.
English अच्छी हो.
यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
दो वर्ड आते हैं इनको. I don't know of course.
अच्छा,
अब ये फैसला तो हमारी ऑडियंस करेगी.
जी.
ऑफ कोर्स.
Of course. See this door, Faru cleaned this door yesterday.
Oh wow, very nice. And what you
And-
did?
He said, किसी हाथ ना लाई हम दोबारा.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
ये
साफ
precautions
मना कर दिया कि don't touch the door.
But you are touching the door.
Yes, I'm showing you how clean this door is.
Yes.
Before and after.
अब किसी ने भी अपने डोर साफ कराने, प्लीज कांटेक्ट मिस्टर फारूक, हस्बैंड ऑफ मिसेस मैविश.
Cleaning department. झाड़ू पोछा सफाई.
स्पीक इन इंग्लिश.
Cleaning department. Farooq Suhail William.
Number we will give you in the description.
Sure. And the package is in 5,000 rupees
पर डे है या
per day. Mopping, cleaning, and dusting. 3 things.
only in 5.
1,000 rupees.
Stay tuned with us.
Chachu. What? Okay, in market. Okay, beta. Okay.
Why he's not receiving our call?
Why he is not receiving our call? Okay. 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 Nanni is at home or with Chachu? Okay. Okay, beta, I call you later. Bye, beta. What are you doing? All the time sleeping, sleeping, no work at all. What? अब आप कहोगे आई डोंट नो या कह देना ऑफ कोर्स हर आई वांट टू टॉक विद किसिया
मैं भी शिद्दत की टेंशन लेती
बेबी you are understanding what I am saying? Are you understanding? No. Okay. He's confused. Beta, come up. Kizu, come up. I am making sausages, fries for you. Come up. Okay, beta. Okay, done. Don't come. Okay,
You
bye.
stay down, baby.
Baby, you stay down, okay? Good night. Sleep well.
What happened, Manish?
Kisia don't know what I'm saying. And Millie is also so confused.
What happened to you? की होया ही? Vicky.
Okay.
You are calling Veli.
Noel. Hi, Noel. How are you? We are checking your confidence. Speak in English for 24 hours. Speak in English. We want to see the confidence. What? He's speechless.
You can't speak in English.
All are getting so speechless. Okay, bye. I am in the kitchen and making sausages for my little ones. They enjoyed and they really enjoyed. So this is the vlog in English. The challenge is so weird because I'm not usually use this language. Like so. I don't have any word to explain this, but this is the hard task, really hard, because I speak in Urdu or the best language is Urdu. What you want, Mikhail? Mikhail is finding something to eat, and I'm making this. They really love to eat this all. What you want, Miku? Okay, I'm making. So I hope you people enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned with us. Me, Mikhail. And he is the second one and the naughty one. Those who knows they knows better than me. Who's he? Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Enjoying? What are you
Yes
eating?
or no?
Yes.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
Okay. Are you enjoying? What? Okay.
Yes or no?
Enjoy.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
Enjoying. Very intelligent people. आप enjoy कर रहे हो? ये मेरा थोड़ा पेंडू सा बेबी है. What are you doing? What? No, speak in English, Mama. Oh. As you can people see, my family is trying to speak in English. तो किसको कैसा लगा ये आप लोगों को comment में बताना. Oh shit. Okay, so my family is trying to speak in English. Hope you people enjoy this vlog. If you people like this vlog, so hit the bell icon and like this vlog, comment below. मिलते हैं यार फिर ये बात.
Let me ask Mavish what she's doing.
I am cutting this.
Miss, what are you doing?
I am cutting this.
This क्या है? You are cutting onion with your
onion
tongue?
with knife. No,
Okay.
my tongue is so big, I know, but I am cutting this with my knife. I am making white rice. If you people don't know, I am doing work. I am doing cooking
You are making rice with
with the stove and fire.
jahil with
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा
dal था.
With dal. Now I know he is clean.
वाह,
नहीं.
ये हालात है खाना खाने के. What are you eating, Kizia?
Kizu, what are you eating? She don't know what we are
But
saying.
तन्नू सब पता है.
Yes.
hours later
Have you completed your challenge?
Yes, at 12 o'clock.
Vinay Bhaskar. Mama, what you want? Speak in English. Oh my God. What are you eating, Kizia?
Faru is hiding her. Oh, Faru.
Har. Faru. Har है.
Body. Surat.
Kizia, what are you eating?
क्या कर रही है? हिसाब किताब. Hope you guys are really enjoyed this vlog or this English.
What Shan is saying? Phaड़ के दो.
Yes. Hard. No. Cut. We don't know how to hard.
ये family है who is eating one mango.
Three people in one sofa. Please help them out with good checks, money. No, करो पर उसको उधर बचा.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
Mavish? Your age?
29.
पूरा बोलते.
19. Oh. 28. 29 years.